Chicken Lady here. Today I thought I'd do a bit of a recipe because I didn't do one on Friday, and show you how to make a roasted butternut squash pasta sauce. It's dead easy. I've adapted it from a Jamie Oliver recipe, but I put in lots of different things and you can just swap things out for things that you can get easily. Here we go. So I roasted the butternut squash yesterday. You can see it's a little bit caramelised, shall we say, but it's not actually burnt. It's just nice and sweet and charred. And in the pan I'm going to add the garlic chives. If you've not got garlic chives growing in your garden, just finely chop a clove of garlic, some fresh thyme, which you can get from the supermarket, and some crushed chilies. So I'll put the chives, the thyme and the chilies into the oil first and then add the butternut squash. So in this pan I put the oil, the garlic chives, the thyme and the crushed chilies for a few minutes, just so that the oil could get nice and flavoured, and then I added in the scooped out inside of the butternut squash, which you can see there. So we cook this through just so that it goes all nice and mushy, and then we get to add some cheese, because this is a cheesy butternut squash sauce for pasta. So as you can see, I've added in a couple of tablespoons of cottage cheese. First of all, makes it nice and creamy. Now Jamie's recipe says to use creme fraiche, but I've found that cottage cheese is a really good substitute to add to the creaminess of the sauce. Okay, so that's stirred in. I'm going to blitz this with a hand blender in a minute, so those little lumps of cottage cheese will go, but you don't have to if you like them, that's fine. And obviously if you use creme fraiche, you won't get the lumps. So the next thing I'm going to do is add in some grated cheddar, and yes, there was a big bit of that went into, but it will all melt down and give you a lovely cheesy sauce. Now, with regards to how much cheddar to add, Jamie makes this with the blue cheese and he uses, I think it's about 50 grams. So I've gone for about 30 of the cheddar at the moment, but then once it's all blitzed up, I'm going to give it a taste, and then I'll probably add in the other 20 anyway, because I like this sauce to be really nice and cheesy. And pretty much that's it. Once it's blended up, it'll be really tasty. And there's my finished sauce. I added a little bit more cheese as well to make it super cheesy, and a splash of milk just to loosen up the consistency a little bit. But now that's all ready to be warmed through and stir through hot pasta, and we'll probably serve it with a grating of parmesan on the top. Have a nice evening. There you go. Hopefully you enjoyed the recipe. It's a vegetarian one, and really healthy for you as well. Remember to stay safe, be kind and a little bit awesome. Bye bye.